Morning student. So factorization method, general form and factorization method we already finished. Okay. So the number of the question you already solved by using the factorization method. Now the second method is the formula method. So how can we find the roots of the quadratic equation by using the formula method? So that formula we can find here. Okay, you know that the general form of quadratic equation is general form. So what is the general form of quadratic equation? That is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. This is your general form of the quadratic equation. Now we consider this is of your equation number 1. Equation 1 दे दिया हमने इसको. Here we want the coefficient of x square is 1. So we multiply both side by a. Sorry, we divide both side by a. So what we do here? Divide both side by a. a से divide कर रहे हैं हम लोग. So every term is divided by a, that is ax square upon a plus bx upon a plus c upon a is equals to 0. Got it? Now this a will be cancelled. Then what we will get? X square plus b upon a x plus c upon a is equals to 0. यहाँ तक ध्यान में आ गया? अब हम क्या करेंगे? ये जो कांस्टेंट टर्म है, that constant term we will take on the right side. What we will get? X square plus b upon ax is equals to minus c upon a. This is of your equation number 2. Is it clear to all? Okay. Now this is of your one term. This is the second term. Okay. So left hand side containing two terms, that is the first term and second term. Got it? It means that if we consider one formula, that is a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is of your identity. Got it? Now by using this identity, we have two values. Which values are there? A square means a square का term हमारे पास available है. 2ab का term भी available है. We want here the third term. So this third term we want so that it become a square plus 2ab plus b square. So that third term we can find by using the formula, that is third term. Third term is equals to half into coefficient of x and its square. ये हाफ इंटू कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x और उसका स्क्वायर. नाउ 1/2 into what is the coefficient of x? b upon a. So we put here b upon a and its square. Got it? Then what we will get here? 1 into b, that is b. b और b का स्क्वायर कितना? b square. Now here 2 into a, 2a and 2a का स्क्वायर कितना? 4a square means 2 का स्क्वायर 4 और a का स्क्वायर a square. इतना समझ में आ गया? Now this is the term, last term, that is third term. So we want here, so what we will get here? Plus of b square means हमको चाहिए b square का term आ गया पूरा, that is third term आ गया. अब इसको हम क्या करेंगे? ऐड करेंगे. किस में ऐड करेंगे? इक्वेशन 2 में ऐड करेंगे. तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में ही ऐड करना है, इससे नहीं है, राइट हैंड साइड में भी ऐड करना पड़ेगा. Then what we will get? Adding here, what we add here? B square upon 4a square, b square upon 4a square on both side of equation 2. किस में ऐड कर रहे हैं हम लोग? इक्वेशन 2 में. Then what we will get? X square plus b upon ax plus, हो गया, दोनों टर्म लिख लिए हमने. अब क्या ऐड करना है हमको? b square upon 4a square is equals to b b square upon 4a square minus c upon a. गॉट इट? अब मुझे क्या चाहिए, मैंने b square upon 4a square पहले इसलिए लिखा क्योंकि सेकंड टर्म जो थी वो निगेटिव थी, तो निगेटिव को हमने बाद में लिखा. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? नाउ दिस इज नथिंग बट द a square plus 2ab plus b square. तो ये क्या हो गया आपका a square plus 2ab plus b square, and this is the expansion of a plus b whole square. a means what? x. a का मतलब क्या हो गया? x. और b का मतलब क्या हो गया? b upon 2a, और यहां पे देंगे प्लस, so that is of square. Understood? Means this is the expansion of x plus b upon 2a. x plus b upon 2a को यदि मैं a plus b whole square के फॉर्मूले से यदि लिखूंगा, so we get three values. The first value is x square, the second value is b upon ax, and the plus b square upon 4a square is equals to. Now here we will take the LCM. So a 4a square और a का LCM हो गया 4a square. Got it? न्यूमरेटर में क्या मिलेगा? 4a square is divided by 4a square 1, and 1 multiplied by b square, that is of equals to b square. Okay? And next minus 4a square is divided by a, that is 4a, and 4a into c, this is become 4ac. Got it? Now taking square root on both sides, taking square root on both sides. Okay, short में लिखा मैंने both sides. Then what we will get here? Square root ले लिया तो square cancel, that is x plus b upon 2a मिलेगा यहाँ पे, is equals to. Now we don't know the square root of b square minus 4ac because this is the two terms. Okay, these are not a factor. तो फैक्टर नहीं है. यदि ये इनटू रहता, मल्टीप्लाई रहता, तो यहाँ पे क्या होता? b, और यहाँ पे 2, और ये रूट a और रूट c. मगर यहाँ पे माइनस होने के कारण क्या होगा? क्या होगा माइनस होने के कारण? ये पूरा का पूरा स्क्वायर रूट में आएगा. किस में आएगा? स्क्वायर रूट में. सो वी विल राइट हियर स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ b square minus 4ac. Now when we take the square root of any number, so that square root may be positive or may be negative. That square root is may be positive or may be negative. Therefore that square root is may be positive or negative. Therefore this is either plus or minus. Upon 4 का स्क्वायर रूट हो गया 2 और a square का हो गया a. Understood? Now we will shift this b upon 2a on right side. Therefore we get here x is equals to minus b upon 2a. ये प्लस है तो माइनस हो गया, प्लस माइनस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Got it? As the denominator is same, then what we will get? We will add or subtract the numerator. Therefore it is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So this is the formula to find the roots of the quadratic equation by using formula method. Okay, so this is the formula to use to find the square root of the quadratic equation, roots of the quadratic equation by using formula method. So earlier we already explained how can we find the roots of the quadratic equation by using the general form. We derive one formula, that is x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Got it? So by using that formula we can solve the example. The first example is 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equals to 0. Got it? So this is of equation number 1. We consider equation number 1. Now this is of your general form. Which is the general form? ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. This is of your general form. Now we compare both the equation. अब हम क्या करेंगे? दोनों इक्वेशन को कंपेयर करेंगे और कंपेयर करके हम लोग फाइंड आउट करेंगे कोएफिशिएंट्स के वैल्यू. So what is the value of coefficient? Now see here, the value is a is equals to 4. Here b is equals to what we get? 4 root 3 and c is equals to 3. So we get all the three values. The first value is a is equals to 4. Second value is b is equals to 4 root 3. ये वाला second value मिल गया आपको. And this is of your third value, that is c is equals to 3. We got all the three values. Now first we find the value of b square minus 4ac. Okay? So first we find b square minus 4ac. So b square means what? B is nothing but 4 root 3. So 4 root 3 and its square minus 4 into a means what? 4 into 4 और c means क्या हो गया यहाँ पे? 3. Understood? Now we will take the square of 4 root 3. तो 4 root 3 means क्या? 4 का स्क्वायर करेंगे, root 3 का स्क्वायर करेंगे. अब 4 का स्क्वायर कितना हो गया? 16. 4 4 are 16. रूट 3 का स्क्वायर कितना? 3. ओके, तो 16 3 का कितना हो गया? 48. सो द स्क्वायर ऑफ 4 रूट 3 इज व्हाट? 48. कैसे किया हमने? 4 का स्क्वायर 16, रूट 3 का 3, 16 into 3 that is 48 minus this is 4 into 4 16, 16 into 3 48. So it become again 48. So 48 minus 48 becomes 0. Therefore value of b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. इसका वैल्यू आ गया आपका 0. इतना समझ गए आप लोग? Now we use the formula and that formula is, what is that formula? That formula is x is equals to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now we put all these values, that is minus, first you write minus the value of b. अब b का वैल्यू पॉजिटिव भी हो सकता है, नेगेटिव भी. So here the value of b is what? 4 root 3. Okay, plus minus यहाँ पे b square minus 4ac का वैल्यू हमने फाइंड आउट कर लिया है, that is 0. 0 का कोई स्क्वायर रूट नहीं है. अपॉन 2 2 into a. a कितना है आपका? चेक करो, a कितना है आपका? 4. So we will write here 4. Then what we get here? Minus of 4 root 3 upon 4 2s are 8. 4 का डिवीजन पॉसिबल है. Then what we will get? 4 2s are 8. So what we will get here? Here क्या मिलेगा हमको? यहाँ पे 2 आएगा. Means that is of equals to minus of root 3 upon 2. तो यहाँ पे एक ही वैल्यू आई है. Okay? Means here both the values are same. That is minus of root 3 upon 2. Got it? Now one more example which is not a quadratic, but first we convert it into the quadratic equation and then we solve. Okay, that example is, second example, 1 upon x minus 3 plus of 1 upon x plus 5 is equals to 1 upon 3. तो सबसे पहले हम इसको क्या करेंगे? क्वाड्रेटिक में कन्वर्ट करेंगे और उसके बाद ही सॉल्व करेंगे. अब इसको क्वाड्रेटिक में कन्वर्ट करना है तो एलसीएम लेना पड़ेगा. Okay, in previous video we already taken such type of example. So the LCM is what? X minus 3 into x plus 5. Got it? So by cross multiplication what we will get? X plus 5 plus x minus 3 and that is of equals to 1 upon 3. मिल गए? अब यहाँ पे x plus x कितना? 2x. 5 minus 3 that is of equals to plus 2. यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, सेकंड ब्रैकेट को पहले x से मल्टीप्लाई एंड देन बाय यूजिंग द माइनस 3. सो फर्स्ट यू मल्टीप्लाइड बाय x, दैट इज x स्क्वायर प्लस 5x. ओके, माइनस 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो माइनस 3x माइनस 15 इज इक्वल्स टू 1 अपॉन 3. अगेन वी टेक द क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन हियर. ओके, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे हम लोग. सो 3 से मल्टीप्लाई, 3 into 2x plus 2 is equals to 1 into, this is of your x square, 5 minus 3 that is of equals to 2x. Got it? And the last one is minus 15. Now here first we multiply, 3 2s are 6x plus 6 is equals to 1 se multiply, x square plus 2x minus 15. Okay, now we shift all the term on the one side only. Then what we will get? X square plus 2x. This 6x will be shifted, so minus 6x Here minus 15 and plus minus 6 is equals to 0. So finally we got here x square, this become minus 4x. Got it? And this is of your minus 21 is equals to 0. This is of equation number 1. Understood? Now we compare this equation by ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Therefore, a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 4 and c is equals to minus 21. Isn't it? Means we get all the three values, that is a, b and c. Now we solve for ABC. See here. First we find the value of b square minus 4ac. So here b square minus 4ac is equals to, what we will get? B means what? Minus 4. So minus 4 square minus 4 into a means 1 and c means what? Minus 21. Got it? So minus 4 का square कितना? Plus 16. Okay? Because minus 4 into minus 4, minus into minus plus, and 4 into 4, 16. So minus 4 का square कितना? Plus 16. After that, minus into minus plus, 4 into 1, 4 and 4 2 is 8. Means 21 4 से कितना हो गया यहाँ पे? 80 to 4. 84. Got it everyone? Understood or not? इतना ध्यान में आ गया? 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now 84 plus 16. 8 plus 4 plus 6, 10, 0 carry 1, 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. So we get here b square minus 4ac is equals to 100. ये मिल गया हमको. Now we apply simple the formula. And that formula is, what is that formula? X is equals to minus b. X is equals to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now we put all these values, that is minus b. B means what? The value of b is equals to minus 4. So we write as a minus 4. Plus minus under root b square minus 4ac means 100 upon 2a. A means what? 1. So minus into minus become plus. Plus minus 100 का square root कितना? 10 upon 2. Understood? So therefore that is of equals to, we will consider the two values here again. Therefore x is equals to 4 plus 10 upon 2 or x is equals to 4 minus 10 upon 2. अब यहाँ पे 100 का स्क्वायर रूट निकल गया इसलिए 110 लिखा हमने. हो सकता है यहाँ पे 33 रहे. Here 33. Then what we will get? Root 33. तो root 33 continuous carry forward होते रहेगा. So here this is 14 upon 2. It means 7. And the second value is, or x is equals to 4 minus 10 minus 6 upon 2. That is x is equals to minus 3. So in this way we solve the example by using the formula method.